Okay, 12:28. We're leaving 30 minutes after I wanted to because I had to wait for him. Can you believe this? It is January and it is 63 degrees. We are in short sleeves. That has like never happened. We're both in long pants, but 63 degrees. All right, you ready to go Disney?
Yep. Moving pictures. Hello there, moving picture.
What's up, Doc?
I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
This is crazy. It's 2:06 in the morning and it's 70 degrees. Like, we've been on the road an hour and a half, and as soon as we passed into South Carolina, basically it turned 70 degrees, and it's been consistent ever since. This is nuts. It's very windy though. Like, so windy that I keep having to, like, I get startled because things are blowing across the road. And it's, Lakelyn's like, what was that? What was that? Wow, Georgia Welcome Center, 5:09 a.m. and it is packed. Wow. Well, it's daylight and we're still at the Georgia Welcome Center. Yeah, it was nappy nap time. I got about a rough hour and a half, like probably kept waking up every 15-20 minutes or so, but at least I did get a little bit of sleep. It's still very windy and it's time to hit the road again. 9:09 a.m. Traffic. Oh my gosh, people. Traffic is crazy. And I'm not liking all those dark clouds either. So as of now, it says we're going to get there at 12:37, but we're still going to get some breakfast, stop again for gas at Buc-ee, so it'll be probably 1:30-ish before we get there. So the last time, the last time we were at the Florida Welcome Center was when we had baby Diva for her first Florida trip. Oh my gosh, it is so busy here. This is just as busy as our Thanksgiving trip. So it was our Thanksgiving trip. We've already put some of the vlogs up on our family channel, Life's a Whirlwind. So go over there and check out the vlogs. This is crazy. I think I forgot to mention that today is Sunday, January 2nd, 2022. So a lot of people are traveling home, you know, from New Year's. I get that, but wow, I was not expecting the highway and the rest areas to be as busy as they have been. It is 10:12, so it is time for some breakfast. Look, McDonald's Happy Meals are now Sing 2. When's the last time you had pancakes from McDonald's?
It's been a while.
It has been a while. Just want y'all to know, no parking through here. Or here. Or here. And not even here. My guess is that all these people are going to Buc-ee's. Yes, that's right. Buc-ee's. They have the cheapest gas, so I have half a tank, but my idea is to fill up, top it off, and then have enough to get me to Orlando and then back to either this Buc-ee's or St. Augustine on the way back. Look at all these people making their way out of Buc-ee's. It is packed. I knew it would be packed. I mean, they have over 100 gas pumps. So hopefully there is a gas pump that is free and available for us. it is wild to think that this is, go ahead, mister, go ahead, that this is a convenience store, because it is like a attraction. Like, this is nuts. Nuts. So gas was $2.93 for regular. Topped it off $19.03 is what it cost. All right, let's go find a parking place and go into this madhouse. All right, I was curious to see what the seasonal t-shirts would be at Buc-ee's, and it is Valentine's Day. I followed my heart. It led me to Buc-ee's. Got a white cherry icy. I like it because there's no dye. But they are out of lids. They're also out of large cups, so you had to get a small, or I had to get a small. I'm gonna compare the madhouse in there to something. Tell me if you agree. The Emporium on Main Street in Magic Kingdom.
Yep.
That is pretty much what it was like in there. Like, I could not hold the camera up and vlog without being in somebody's face, so that's why I didn't do it.
Yep.
Spotted our first Disney bus of the trip. For 2 years we've been trying to get into this new restaurant, and it's finally open, and we're like on this side. I mean, we've been in it before, but not since they remodeled it to the eco-friendly thing. But anyway, it's right at the entrance to the All-Star resorts. All 3 of them are through the same gate here. It is 2 o'clock and our room is still not ready. I requested that an early check-in. I requested that above wanting ground floor, and it's still not ready. This feels like old times, doesn't it, Lakelyn? Like the All-Stars and Pop is where we used to stay all the time because they're the cheapest. Wow. We have not been in here since they've like redone things. Oh my gosh, their Christmas stuff is still up. Cool. Do you know how long it's been since I've seen their Christmas stuff up? And the All-Stars? Wow. Once again, I'm glad I went to go check, because our room is ready and we just haven't received a text or an email. What's with the numbered wreaths? Was there a decorating contest or something? There must have been a decorating contest and you voted. Yeah, it'd have to be. I mean, why else would they be numbered? I was not expecting to be able to see. Yep, cast member wreath decorating contest. And the winner is housekeeping and custodio with number 6. Cool. It seems so small in here now. I mean, I know it's the same size, but since the remodel, it just has a smaller feel to it. Here you can get Walt Disney's favorite chili and a bread bowl. It's inspired by Walt Disney's favorite chili. They put up new graphics. And don't forget, you have toasters and microwaves here at the All-Stars. Check out the whole music thing on the Coke machines overlay. Wow, I don't recall. Oh yeah, this is new. Joffrey's 50th anniversary overlay on the coffee makers. He got a cheeseburger kids meal. Comes with apples, the smoothie, and the chocolate milk. And I got the children's chicken and pasta, the green bean. Haunted Mansion trivia. How many happy haunts reside in the mansion? 999. What's the name of the floating head in the crystal ball? Madame Leota. Who's the master of the house? Gracie. How many portraits are there in the stretching room? Ooh, that one stumps me. We got some Christmas stuff still up in the shop. So quiet in here today. Maestro Mickey. Okay, Lakelyn's looking for his donuts. He has this thing that whenever we're at Disney, they have your donuts right here. He always buys a pack of these, although he could buy them at home for cheaper.
They're the same price.
You sure?
They're actually cheaper here because of the discount.
Oh, because of the discount. Really? I didn't realize that. Oh, I like the chocolate. Why don't you buy all the chocolate? But yeah, that's like his thing. He does it every time. And welcome to our happy abode for the next 4 nights. You like that, Lakelyn? Happy abode? Okay, so I guess you don't want to sleep with me, huh?
No.
So we're gonna lose our table. Yeah. Okay, well hold on before we show them what's behind these doors. Door number 1. Oh, these little lights come on. I do remember that. Why there? Oh no! Is one out or no? Okay, you actually have to turn both of them on. Love the little cubbies that they give you with outlets here. This door closes for privacy. And then we have lots of drawer space and shelf space, a safe. Shove your suitcases under here, which is awesome. Love that. It gets them out of the way. And the refrigerator. And whoa, they took out all the little basket of necessities. Interesting. Now we have a little coffee maker with some tea, some Joffrey's coffee, ice bucket. Whoa, you almost lost your thermos. Lakelyn's already moved the chair. Go for it. Pull it down. Let's see what behind Lakelyn's door is. And it's all 3 all-star resorts. We have sports, we have movies, and we have music. Now, all you like really diehard fans like me, notice this is wrong. What's wrong about that, Lakelyn? He's tired, and he's not even the one that drove 10 hours. In reality, you get to the All-Star Sports Resort first, then music, then movies. So these 2 should be swapped. That's just, I just noticed little things like this. Okie dokie, lots and lots of room in here. I just love all these little cubbies. Just room for absolutely everything. Shelves up here, down here. I just love the space in the value resorts because they're all kind of like this. Of course now, a couple years ago, started the whole not giving you the individual little soaps and shampoos they do at the deluxe resorts, but everywhere else you get the pump station. But I do really like that you're able to put your own stuff here. Of course, you have the wet line up here. It strings across right there. Pull that over, hook it here, and you can put your wet bathing suits, towels, that type of thing on there. Okay, well, there's not really much more to show, guys. I am going to give a compliment down at the front desk for whoever cleaned this room. Look how shiny all this chrome is. Not even a fingerprint. They did great. That's not funny. That hurt. Okay, I totally forgot the one downfall of these rooms. Just be careful. Notice how this bed comes out further. I turned around from putting something in the refrigerator and knocked the crap out of my knee. So just be aware. It's a learning curve. I mean, by our last night, I'll probably remember that it's there. Maybe. We are in the rock section, which means we're pretty far from the buses. These are just standard rooms. We didn't pay for preferred. Hey, Lakelyn, go style profile beside. He's rolling his eyes at me. I say these things just to like embarrass. Oh my gosh, he is sticking out of the exhaust. Oh, he just went in. There is a lizard inside the exhaust.
By the way, let's admire his outfit because we're going to Animal Kingdom. He wore the T-Rex shirt. Let's see. And the shorts that are like ripped. Like the T-Rex attacked his shorts. Yeah, what do you think about that? So, since our time is limited, the lines are still long because Animal Kingdom closes at 8. What are the order of the top 3 rides you want to ride?
Everest, Dinosaur.
Flight of Passage. Maybe we can try and get on that right as they're closing.
Yeah.
Get in line, maybe. Yeah, I'm actually kind of pretty shocked at how long the lines have been because we've been checking on our way here. Really expecting most people to have checked out today. Like last night was like the official end of the holiday season. That's why we booked starting tonight because the rooms were a lot cheaper starting tonight. So I was expecting...
That's what everybody did.
You think everybody did that? And there was a lot of traffic on the roads. Roads already stated that. So a lot of people were traveling back home. So hopefully, maybe tomorrow, we will definitely see a drop in the wait times. Fingers crossed. He just said that Rise of the Resistance is 195 minutes. Like, oh my gosh. Well, we're not going to Hollywood Studios, so... But yeah, he's just kind of giving you an example of what the wait times are. Out of all the years of us staying here, I mean, we've stayed at All Star Music many times. Never been in the Broadway section, ever. I really like all the banners that they have put up at the resorts now, the 50th celebration banners. So we are on our way. Well, no, we're not on our way. We're waiting for the bus to go to Animal Kingdom. Let's see how long we have to wait. It is 4:20. We waited exactly 10 minutes, and look, our first bus ride of the trip is on Figment.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.